What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Baby Yoda Crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started on the right side of our page and draw the top edge of the visor. So I'm going to start right in the middle of our page and curve up and then bend that down on the right. Now let's round out the side of the visor. Going back to the left, curve this out and then in, go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to close off the bottom with another curve. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's go to the top right side of our visor and draw on the top of the head. So we're going to start up here. Just going to curve this up, round out the head, and just pull that down on the left side. And then we'll overlap the left ear on top of the head. From this point, we're going to step in, curve this up, and then bend that out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go up, and then bend that out. Let's round out the tip of the ears. Just going to pull this back in, and we'll bend the ears coming in and then down. And we'll round out the bottom of the ear and come back in towards the head. We come down and bend that in. And we'll pull the right ear in behind the side of the visor. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the ear. On the bottom, we're going to step up, curve the ear coming up, and then bend that out, aiming towards the tip of the ear. Step back in, curve down, and then in towards the inside. Let's go over towards the right, curve up, and then out. And then again, we're going to step in, curve down, and then in. Let's draw the top edge of the collar. Underneath the ear on the left, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down underneath the visor and just pull that up on the right side. And then we'll round out the side of the collar. Starting back on the left, curve this out and then in, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's connect the bottom of the collar with that same curve. Starting on the left, come down and then back up, and then we'll add a fold. Starting up here, curve out towards the right, and then down towards the bottom. And now we're going to draw on the side of the body. Let's start back on the left, curve the body going out, and then down towards the bottom, go over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up, and then on the right side, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add the backpack on the left side. Starting from the top of the collar, go out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and up, and then we'll close off the side with a curve, going out and then back in. Let's add a shadow across the top of the backpack. Starting on the left, curve up and in. Now from here we're going to step up, add a shadow across the collar, coming down and then in towards the bottom. I'm also going to add a shadow across the body. From here we're going to step out, curve down the middle, and then pull that back up on the right side of the body. Now I'm going to move back up and add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting on the top left, come down, across, and then up on the right. Let's go over towards the right side and add in the hand. We're going to start from the inside of the thumb, we're going to curve up, and then bend this down towards the tip of the thumb, curve in and up. And then we'll add in two fingers. Starting from the top of the thumb, go up and out, come in and then down towards the thumb. Let's add one more finger, going out and then down, and just pull that back in with a short line. Let's go back to the inside and draw on the palm. Starting here, we're going to curve down and just bend that up, step down, curve down and up in behind the finger. And we'll separate the fingernails. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve out and in, go to the top, come down and out, do the same thing on the outside finger. And now we're going to add the cuff around the inside of the hand. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve around, down towards the bottom, and then up underneath the hand. And that's pretty much it. There's Baby Yoda from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.